Hey guys, hey YouTube, Tennyson here, and today I'm gonna be. No, that's a spoiler. You can't see that yet. Okay, so this just came in the mail, and I am super excited. I mean, like super excited. It is the Maho Sentai Magi Ranger. Okay, come on, Magi flip phone. It actually works. Check this out. Maho Henshin, Majiro. See that? You get a nice little LED light. The tip pops out and lights up. It's all just really, really cool. Now, I'm not gonna go over all the phrases. Oh yeah, here it is in its little flip phone mode. I'm not gonna go over all the phrases with you guys because that came. It doesn't do anything, but it's good to have still. Anyway, and something else cool came. This little Woolzord figure. Wait, does this legs move? No. Okay, so this is just like one of those hard little plastic figures, but the torso moves around, the arms move around. Good sculpting on Woolzord. I gotta say. I mean, look at this guy. Look at the wolves. Dude, these are good quality. These are high quality. Alright, and now to address the elephant in the room. The fact of this, the Zuden Sentai Kyoryuger Gabu revolver, to the man of danger, who I think watches my videos. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean to give your video give this 4 stars, okay? I'm sorry. I I mean I like it. It's good. It's a recreation, faithful one. And it's as far as the mouth opening gesture goes, it works. But not gonna lie, you were kind of right when it said all it could do was that. But it's still cool. I'll still display it. Now I tried loading a Zudenchi in this. Oh yeah. Quick tip. If you had one of these before, you'll know that you can't push this down until you push this down and then that down. And as far as this goes, that's all I can do. But hopefully I'll start tinkering with it, see what's wrong with it. If I can't fix it, then I'll just keep it as like a little keepsake. You know, display it on the wall somewhere. Doesn't mean I won't still not use it, but you know, I like it. Okay, that actually does kind of work. This is kind of sick. I'm sorry I ever doubted you. But anyway, yeah, hopefully, Man of Danger, you can find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry, man. So anyway, that was the review. Oh, yeah, forgot. I still got one more thing. Jeez. Okay. So, as many of y'all know, Kamen Rider Revice is, I guess, the current Kamen Rider in Japan right now. If anybody says something different, they can shout me out in the comments or DM me on Instagram or whatever. But check this out. This is what the Magiphone came with. A poster for Avatar Sentai Dawn Brothers. I think versus Kamen Rider Revice or meets Kamen Rider Revice or whatever. I don't know. I don't read Japanese. Only reason I know that's Avatar Sentai Dawn Brothers is because, well, Don Momotaro and yeah, we got Don Momotaro, Kiji brother, Oni sister, Inu brother, and Saru brother. And I heard we're getting a new one, Don Jagoku. But yeah, that's cool. But if you flip it over, you get these little chibi versions of Don Momotaro, the Revice, and the Revice powered up. And I don't know what that is. I'm gonna have to Google translate all that. And hello, what's this? Oh, cool! It's like they're tiny little toys or something. And here we got Revice down here in the corner being like, I'm sneaky. But no, that's not all this came with. Sorry, Woolzord. It also came with. Ah! I'm dropping stuff. Can't be doing that. No. Came with a Kamen Rider Zect card. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. Actually, it's Masked Rider Dark Kabuto Rider form. But it's Zect. Y'all know it's Zect. And here is a card for the Tensoder, which is the Sun Vulcan card. And you can see the little Sun Vulcan thing right there. The card done in extremely good-looking silver chrome foil. And look at Sun Vulcan Robo right there. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. I'm just dying. That's what dying sounds like. Anyway, if you look here, you can see the symbol on the sword, and it's on the sword hilt. But if you turn it over, you get the full symbol with what is that? I don't know what that is. If anybody can read that, then power to you. But yeah, here's the word in Japanese, and here's the word in English. If you all couldn't read that, and there's Sun Vulcan Robo right there. This is for the Tensoder. From Tensu Sentai Go Sager. Reason I say that, Super Mega Force cards look damn familiar. Gosh, I wonder why. That. But anyway, guys, that's about it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe. I'm gonna go play around with these things some more. So I'll be. Oh, that didn't feel like a full one. There it is. So yeah, I'm gonna go play around with these things some more, especially this because I feel like I owe it to the man of danger, because it kind of made him mad the other day. I'm sorry, bro. Hello, what do you do? I'll figure that out later. But anyway, for right now, later YouTube, Tennyson out. This is